Hi, my name's David. Today we're going to do a free code camp tutorial. Create a bulleted unordered list. So basically, this is the syntax we use if you want to create bullet points inside of your HTML page. So it says that when you want to do it, first you need this element UL. So you put it here like this, and within this we want to put li elements within it. These this indicates that you're about to do a list, and that this is indicates that you're about to do an unordered list, and this is going to be each bullet point. So for this exercise, we want to remove the last two p elements and create an unordered list of 3 things that cats love at the bottom of the page. So first we delete this, and then we we can type this out, ul, indicating an unordered list, and it gets closed. And then inside of it, we add 3 things that cats like. So to indicate as a bullet point, a list, we just do li, and then we do sleep as one of them, and then we close it li like that. And we can just copy it twice, 3 times, and we can change it. So let's say food and attention. And that should be it. We can see these are the bullet points here. Thank you.